The SMP extension identifies a SmartMusic performance file containing recorded musical performance data from the SmartMusic practice platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play, review, or manage these music performance recording files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the SMP archive, even if it can't fully extract it. SMP files are performance recording files from SmartMusic, a music education and practice platform by MakeMusic. They contain recorded audio performances alongside assessment data including pitch accuracy, rhythmic precision, and dynamic expression for student music practice evaluation. SmartMusic SMP files use a proprietary format, storing recorded audio performance data with time-aligned assessment metrics, pitch deviation measurements, tempo tracking data, and comparison reference information against the original musical score accompaniment. The core association for the SMP file points directly to SmartMusic, developed by MakeMusic, Inc. Native Windows Association, often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows can play these files, but modifying structure or quality requires editing software. Open the menu by right-clicking your SMP file and choosing Open With. Try SmartMusic first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If your SMP file isn't cooperating, don't worry. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here's a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, playing recordings. Open SmartMusic and navigate to the Assignments or Recordings section to access SMP performance files. SmartMusic plays back the recorded performance with visual feedback showing pitch accuracy and rhythmic precision alongside the musical score notation. Next, reviewing assessments. In SmartMusic, view the detailed assessment data associated with SMP recordings including note-by-note pitch accuracy, rhythmic precision scores, and overall performance grades. Use the assessment feedback to identify areas for improvement in your musical practice. Finally, sharing with teachers. Submit SMP performance recordings to your music teacher through SmartMusic's assignment system. Teachers can review recordings, listen to performances, and provide feedback and grades through the SmartMusic platform's Educator Dashboard interface. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.